Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji Needle on the Wa Kwezone?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukunon Soul Captures. Ndebanye, Anameke Elonu. I found with Chukunon Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. And this is another edition of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Ace for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Ace to describe herself, and she gave me a